Welcome to this lesson on secure software architecture. Today, we will delve into various critical aspects of secure software architecture, including threat modeling, security architecture definition, attack surface evaluation, and modern computing architectures such as cloud and mobile applications. Secure software architecture involves the strategic design and implementation of software to meet current and future requirements. Key components include understanding the environment, identifying threats, and implementing appropriate security controls. Effective secure software architecture ensures the software remains robust against threats throughout its lifecycle. Threat modeling is a process to identify and document all potential threats to a system, along with their mitigating actions. This process is crucial for highlighting issues early in the development process. Threat modeling involves several steps. First, we identify security objectives. This means determining the security objectives based on legal, contractual, and corporate standards. Next, we move on to system decomposition. Here, we use modeling systems like data flow diagrams, or DFDs, to document the flow of data and identify trust boundaries. Then, we identify threats using methods such as STRIDE, which stands for spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure, denial of service, and elevation of privilege. Finally, we perform mitigation analysis. This involves analyzing and implementing mitigations for identified threats. Mitigations can involve redesigning the system, applying standard security controls, developing new mitigations, or accepting vulnerabilities. The attack surface refers to the amount of code and interfaces accessible to unauthorized users. Evaluating the attack surface helps in understanding the potential vulnerability areas of the software. Key practices include minimizing the attack surface by disabling unnecessary features and measuring it by counting and categorizing accessible elements such as open sockets, services, and enabled accounts. A comprehensive security architecture plan is essential for aligning the team and guiding the design and implementation of secure systems. Key elements include security control, identification, where we identify and prioritize security controls such as preventive, detective, corrective, and compensating controls. We also implement a structured controls framework to manage risk across the enterprise. Modern architectures have introduced new challenges and opportunities for secure software design. Key architectures include client-server and N-tier models involve distributed processing and storage, which require robust security measures. Cloud computing offers scalability and resource pooling, but necessitates a shared responsibility model for security. Service-oriented architecture, or SOA, emphasizes interoperability and modularity, with a focus on secure communication protocols. Mobile applications require specific considerations for security due to their ubiquitous nature and varying platforms. Emerging technologies continue to evolve, introducing unique security challenges. Pervasive or ubiquitous computing integrates computing into everyday devices, emphasizing the need for robust security in interconnected systems. Wireless and location-based services must ensure secure transmission of data over potentially unsecure networks and manage location-based data responsibly. RFID and NFC technologies require securing data transfer. In short-range communication technologies, sensor networks and embedded systems need security implementation in specialized, often resource-constrained environments. In this lesson, we explored the fundamental aspects of secure software architecture, including attack surface evaluation and modern computing architectures. By understanding and implementing these principles, you can design and develop secure software systems that are resilient against evolving threats. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Leston. Join us on this educational adventure and be the first to know about our latest videos.